So getting on to Flipkart, I'll get my, close this one, it's not needed. I'll go to the Flipkart. In Flipkart, what you do, just go to books and media. In the books and media, go to categories. There you have science and technology. Click on this one. You will be launched to this page. You will be navigated to this page. In this page, I want to get the buy now button for this book. That is what my condition. I'll open my Xpath here. I'll open a new Xpath. Right click, view Xpath. Okay, I'll come over to this Flipkart. So in this Flipkart, what I'll do, I'll open my books and media, science and technology. I came to this page. In this page, I want to find the buy now button for this book. So what I'll do, I'll open the Xpath there. Then I'll be inspecting this buy now button. To inspect the buy now button, I'll open the Firebug. Now I'll click on this inspect element. I'll come over to buy now button. I'll click on this one. Now you can see there is a tag name called input. This input tag is having my buy now button here. For that, I'll just take this information, input tag. I'll write this information in my Xpath checker. See, / tag name is input. Expression starts with always with / in Xpath. Then I'll open the square brace. Then I'll give here. See, I have different information, class, type, on click, like that. Finally, I also have a tag name called value. I'll take this as my information, and I'll take this buy now button. The attribute name is @value, because attribute always need to be given with help of the @ symbol. Value is equal to single quote, and buy now button. I'll copy this one, buy now, close it here. But what's happening here, it's coming with 30 matches. 30 buy now button informations are coming here. What is this 30 buy now button informations are coming here? If I scroll over here, you can see lot of buy now buttons will be here. See, buy now, all these informations are coming. How I can take this one separately? That's what I need to see here. If I open here, one second, see, here there is some informations. I'll check whether multiple properties can I go. This class is there, na? I'll take this information and @class is equal to this information. Now what, 15 matches is giving. If I take multiple matches also, I'll be getting again some multiple properties. I want the perfect buy now button. What can I do for this one? For that one only, I need to go with the relative path. I need to find the relation of the parent, and then I need to come to the child. So each and everything logically you have to find what is the relation I can take. It's simple here. How to take the relationship here? What is my condition here? For this book, I need to know the buy now button. For this book, I need to know the buy now button. That is what my condition. For that, I can take the respective book information, and then I need to come to the common parent. What is called as common parent means, the before example, see here, there are two TD tags here, this TD tag and then this TD tag. For both of them, who is the common parent? This TR is the common parent. Same thing, if you see input tag, is there having any common parent? No, it is having only one parent called TD. But this TD tag is having what? Two common parent. This two TD tags is having only one common parent here. So you have to come to the common parent. From there you need to come to the child. That is the condition. We'll see how to do it. Okay. Now I'll go to new batch and classes. I take this one. I'll create one more new one. I'll save this one as Flipkart sample. Buy now button is what we are going to find, so I'll make it as buy now. I'll save this one. Now we'll draw the tree structure of the Flipkart. So before that, how I need to check the common parent? It's simple here. I'll just reduce the font size here. If you guys feel that it's little bit smaller, miss, you can just tell me. If you can see, you can just see. Is this clear in your screen or it's too small? This input tag, this tag information you can see. Can you see the Firebug words? It's not smaller now. If it's smaller, you just ping me. I can just increase the font size. Right now, no problem. It's clear now. Okay. Yes. Now I'll just scroll over a little bit top. Okay, I already said if I move over, I can see the respective tags which are matching there. If I go over, see, these are two hidden tags. If I come over here, form tag, this is matching with this buy now, see. Then if I come over, this div tag is what? Common parent for buy now button and the read sample. Clear? If I just come over little bit top, div tag. This div tag is what? Common parent for all these things. Like that, I need to find the common parent. Right now, what is the relation I'm planning to take right now for me? The relation is what for me means right now, this buy now button and then this book, both should be common. The common parent I need to take. So I'm scrolling little bit top. I'll just scroll over a little bit. See, right now this is what this div tag representing what? The book name. This div tag is representing my buy now button. Getting? Right now we came to this position. Now if I just scroll over, see, this is called as a common parent. The common parent is what means it's holding both my book and also my buy now button, both. That's what we are going to take. Clear? Book and the buy now button, both I got it now. This div tag. So from this div tag I need to draw the tree structure. We'll draw it. I'll just give you first. Who is the first one? The div tag is the common parent. So I need to start from there. I'll go to the div tag. Div tag. Then I'll draw this. Right now, this div tag is holding two div tags here. 1, 2. These two alone is there. Just a second. Yeah, 2 minutes. Two div tags. What are the two div tags? This one and this one. So I'm writing here again. Two div tags I got. Now again I'll go. First I'll open the first div tag. This first div tag is what is having here one more div tag. First div tag, okay, we have drawn first and these two div tags. Then first one I'm opening. This first one is having here one div tag alone, so I'll open one more div tag. This first is having one more div tag, the one more child I have drawn. Then again I'll open the another div. This is having another one more div here, one more child. I'll open the one more child here. One more div. Then I'll open this one more div here. See, this is having the A tag. Okay, this is having one A tag and two div tags. Getting? You can see this is having one A tag. This div tag is having one A tag and two div tags. Totally three childs this div tag is having. Which is this div? This last div. This one. So totally how many information? Three childs for it. What are the three childs means? First one is the A tag, and then it is having one div tag, and then it is having one more div tag. Totally three information. So I'll write A tag, then div, one more div. Three things. Is anyone facing problem on my call? Okay, just a second. There is a net connectivity. Okay. Just a second. Okay, Jubi, yeah. You can mute yourself, Jubi. Okay. Yes. Now I'll come over. There are three informations I saw. Jubi still is not been muted, I think so. Yes. Jubi still it's not muted, I think so. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, but some background noise is coming. Okay. Okay, we'll just check on it. I got this information. Right now, this A tag is having my respective book information. See, I'll take the text information here. Why this is a text is called? Before ending of a tag, we have this text information which is not having any of the respective attribute name. That's why this one is called as a text. So I'll take this text information here. I'll go to this respective paint. Here I'll just give. I take this text information. I take this one. Sorry, just a second. Okay, now this one I released it. Now I'll check. I'll come to the next div tag. Right now what my intention is, what is to find the respective book information. Now I got the book information right now. This is what my book information. So from this book only I need to come to the common parent. So from here I'll start from here and then I'll come to this div tag. That's what I'm going to do here. See, from here I will come to this div tag. That's what I'm going to do. So we'll see how to do. Now I need to expand this respective div tag. I'll expand. Now I'll come over. The first div tag we opened and then we saw. Second div tag we'll see now. Second div tag I'll open. So this second div tag is having what? 2 children. Who are the 2 children here? These we need to write. Two div tags. Two div tags I open. Now I will come. The first div tag I'll open. The first div tag is having my buy now button. The second div tag is having another information. I'll open the first one. This first div tag is holding 1, 2, 3 div tag information. See, these are the 3 div tag information showing. The first one, second one, and the third one. So again I need to write. This one is having 3 div tag information. I got. Okay. Then if I come over here, first, second, third. The third is holding my buy now button. I'll open this one. If I come over here, the third div tag is what? It's having my form tag A and then one div tag. Getting? It is having one form tag, one A tag, and then one div tag. Which one? 1, 2, 3. The third div tag is holding my form A and then input. So 3 informations are there. So again I need to get. Which is the third div tag is this one. Sorry, just a second. Then this is having what? First form, next A tag, next div tag. Okay, I'll write here form, form tag, next is A tag, next is one more div tag. 3 information. These 3 informations are present here. These are the 3 information. I got. So in that, where is my buy now button right now? In the form tag. If I open form tag here once again, see, there is again 1, 2 input tags, and then one more third input tag. Totally 3 input tags are there. Once again, if I open the form tag, 2, 1, 2, and then 3 input tags. So once again I need to draw this one structure. This form tag is having these three. So what are the three things right now? Three input tags. I'll get here. These are the three things. Now the third input tag is having my buy now button. See, the first two are hidden tags. Hidden tags always will be there in mild color. You can see this one is there in bold. This is what active tags. These are all hidden tags. Okay, hidden tags always will be in light color. This is what my respective buy now button. Now I'll write this information. The buy now button is right now having this information. Right now I'm going to take the attribute value is equal to buy now. I'm going to give here which one? This third input tag is having mine. So value equal to buy now, that is present. This is what. So this is my tree structure. From here only I need to come here. So what I need to do? I need to travel from this A tag to this div tag, and then again from here to here, then here to here, and finally I need to come to this respective parent div tag. I came. Then from here again I need to come to this div tag, and then from here I need to travel to here. Then from here I need to travel to. I'll just put here. Then from here I need to come over here. Then from here to this form tag. Then from this form tag to this input tag. This is how I need to travel. Okay, this is how the traveling should happen. This is what called as the common parent. Okay, this is what called as the common parent. This is what, okay, this is what called as common parent here. So from the common parent I am coming to the child. This is it. This is called as relation. This is called as relative path. That's the thing. We'll just run over here one more time. We'll do it in the Xpath checker. So how to do? Is everyone clear about the tree structure? Tree structure is clear? Okay. Then now we'll form the Xpath expression. I'll come over here. Xpath checker. Here I'll draw first. I'll take. So I told from this A tag I need to come to the div tag here. That is what my intention. So first I'll go to the A tag. I'll go to mine. I'll go to the A tag. A tag is what right now? This book information. From the book I'll come over here to it. I'm going to take the text information. I'll take double slash. The tag name is what for me? A right now. A, then text function equal to this relative XPath. Now I got the perfect match. One match alone I got. Now what? I need to go to the parent. The parent is what here right now? The div. This div is the parent for me. I'll write here. To go to the parent, what I need to use? I need to use the div tag. I got this one. So this div tag represents what? See, this A tag represents only my book name alone. This div tag, if I move my cursor, see, these three informations are highlighted. That's what is being shown in the XPath also. These three information. I got the parent. Then again when I go to the parent here, okay, again when I go to the parent, see, this one is highlighted. I'll draw this one, first expression, div, this one. Now again, right now I'm there in this div tag. Again I'll go to this little bit top. Div, I got. Then now again, if I go here, see, now I'm finding the common parent in this div tag. From this tag to this div tag, I'm going. Now I'll find the common parent. Div, this one. See, now I got the common parent, this one. So now what, in this place I'm having this relative one and buy now. That's what. So now what, perfectly I'm having only one buy now button. Before what, I was having 30 matches or 50 matches. Right now what, only one buy now button is there. So from here I need to come over. From the relation, the book is the relation. For this book I need the buy now button. So that's why I'm taking the book as the relation and coming to the common parent of both buy now button and relative book. Then coming to the buy now button now. So for the finding the parent, we use the square brace. I'll just come over. Common parent on Flipkart for book. We found. That is what this expression. Now will come from the common parent to child will come. So for that, what we have to do? For coming to the parent, we use square brace usage. For coming to the child, what we have to use? Forward slash. That's the only thing. So now, right now where I am there, right now I am there in this respective div tag. We came. Okay, from this a tag to div tag, div tag, div tag, and div tag we came. Now from here I need to travel from this div tag, this div tag, and this div tag. Like that I need to travel. That's what I'm going to do now. Again I'll come to the Xpath checker. So here I need to put slash after the common parent. Then I need to give what? Right now I'm there here now slash div. So that's what I'll show in the book here also. Now I'll close this one, first one, because I finished the information. Because from this a tag I came to this div tag common parent. I'll close this one. Now my traveling is what? Traveling to the second div tag. That is what? This one. Now I came. Now I'll give div slash div. See, now I got two information, two outputs. What are the two outputs here? This one and this one. That is what the output of this div tag and then this div tag, because this common parent is having two div tags. So both the informations I'm getting here. Right now my intention is what? This second div tag only. So I need to travel like that. So I'll show you one more information about Xpath based on location. That's what we're going to see. What is this location? Means you can filter it by location also. You can filter your Xpath based on location also. How? Simple. Here Xpath is there, na? Here you are giving div, na? You can give it as div of 2. Now it will give you only one match. What does this mean? See, here this one is simple like this. There are two div tags for this one. So this one is what is called as the first location. So I'll give it in blue. This one is first one. This one is what? Second one. This div tag is the second one. For this div tag there is only one. So this is div of 1. For this div tag also there is only one div. So this is 1. For this div tag there is one a tag, one div tag, here one more div tag. So this a tag is what? 1. Okay. Then there is no other a tags here, but div tags are there. So this div tag will come as 1. Then this div tag will come as 2. Because there are two div tags, so this will become 1, this will become 2. Same thing here, what? For this div tag there are two div tags here. This will come as 1, this will come as 2. For this div tag 3 divs are there, so it will come as 1, 2, this will come as 3. Then for this div tag, one form tag and one a and one div. So this will be all, it will be what? 1, 1, this also 1. This form tag is having 3 input tags, so this will be become as 1, 2, and then this will become as 3. This is the location. Okay, so you can segregate like this also. That means what? So if I give as div of 2, what will happen for me? I'll be getting the output of only this information alone. Okay, that is what this div tag information alone I'll be getting if I give div of 2. If I give as div of 1, I'll be getting in the information of only this one alone. That is what this location usage of about. Okay, now see, I'll come to XPath. I'll, instead of giving div of 2, I'll make it as div of 1. See, I'll be getting the relative XPath. If I make it as 2, I'll get that information alone. Clear? That's what this div. Right now I'll go in normal option itself. Okay, is location clear for everyone? Is location usage clear? Okay, yeah. Okay. Okay, Brinda is not there in the call. Just a second. Okay, so I came to the div tag. Now I'm there here in this div tag. So now I'll need to come to this input tag. So again I'll give slash div. I'll go to the active time. Right now what? I was there here. Now I'll give again, there are 2 divs here. Right now the second div is holding my this one. Right now I'm there in this div tag. So again I'll give slash div. If I give slash div, see what is the information I need to get? This 2. Again I'll give slash div. I'm getting 3 matches. What are the 3 matches means? Okay, right now I'm there in this div tag. See, this div tag gives me what? 1 and 2. Okay, then this div tags gives me simple usage. I'll tell you. I'm not confuse you. Sorry. First, I'm coming. This is common parent slash div. If I give, what is the output for me? 1 and 2. What are the 1 and 2? This one and also this one. Clear? Now if I give again slash div, what will be the output for me? This one and this one, because the div is matching with all the 3 things. So that's why for me 3 outputs I will be getting. Clear? So I'll give slash div. Now I will be getting 3 outputs. That's what this div. Okay, this concept is clear. Is this clear? Okay, if any doubt means you just stop me there. Now 1 second, I'll come. Again I'll give you, right now what? I am here. There are 3 outputs for me, this one and this one and this one. So again I what? For me here what? I need to go to this input tag. So this one is what? Div tag. So again I'll give you slash div. Right now I'm getting 5 matches. What are the 5 matches means? We'll see. Okay, see, I'm there where? In this div. Okay, so for me, if I give slash div, the slash div matches with this one and this one and this one. So for that, what are the childs are there? Everything I'll be getting there. So this div tag is holding 1 and this one is 2, 3 and then 4, and one more div tag also is there. That means this div tag we have not expanded this one. This div tag we have not expanded. So that's why in there also one more div tag is present. That's what I'm getting 5 outputs here. These are the 5 outputs here. Right now my buy now button is here. So where I need to go? Again I need to give div. So right now my information is where here. I need to come over to here to here. Again I need to give slash div. Slash div. Okay, right now sorry, right now I am there here, where means right now I am there here. Okay, then again I need to give here what? Form. So this form I need to give slash form. FORM. Now I'm getting the buy now button. So the thing is what? 1, 2, 3. 3 div tags. What are the 3 div tags means? See. The first one till year is what right now? We are here. Okay. Then next this div tag is where I am here. This second div tag is where I am here. The third div tag is where I am right now in this. In this I am having form A and div. So when I give form, my output will be what? This one. That's how I get the information. Now again, in the form tag I am having input tag. So I'll give slash input. Now I'm getting 1, 2, 3 buy now button. So again I need to give segregate this one because this is what I need. I can give like 2 information. Input of 3 I can give. Otherwise I can also give it as with value with the respective property. That property I'll take here. This div tag. The first one I'll open. 1, 2, 3. The third div tag. In this form tag. 1, 2. Third input. For that one the value is what? Buy now for me. So I'll take this one. At the rate value is equal to buy now. So I got the buy now button. This is how we need to get the relationship. This is called as relative path. Clear? I'll write this one. This is what the relative path we found here. Is this concept is clear? How to get the relative path? Okay. So this is what your Xpath is about. Okay. So what you do, I'll give you some assignments for you. So if you do these assignments, you will be also familiar, and then also you will be coming up with some doubts. So you do this one because Xpath is important for Selenium WebDriver. I'll give you just 2 to 3 assignments alone. You try it so you can be familiar with the Xpath information. What does the assignments means? Now, I got the information of my buy now button. You get me the read sample. Okay. What are the things you have to get me means? Okay. In this book itself, assignments. Get me the read sample button of book, this book. Okay, read sample button of this book. Next, second one, I want you to get the rating, okay, the discount, sorry, discount percentage, okay, the discount percentage of this book. Discount percentage of this book. Then next, come over here, go to the books and media, sorry, go to men, go to for example, go to sneakers. In the sneakers, you can just go to one page. So this book, okay, for this sneakers, I want you to get the rupees. What is the price of this one? Okay, for this sneakers, I want the price. Price for the sneakers shoe. You can take any shoe. I want the price for it. That's the thing. Okay. So here, if you come over here in Xpath, I have forwarded you one information here. In this, I have also given you informations about how to use with multiple properties, okay, using and, using or, and text function, contains, then an example, okay, what we saw now, the information, okay, to get the buy now button information with also a tree structure information also. See, this is the one for buy now button we got. Also I given you the tag information of it, then the tree structure. Okay, from here we go to the div tag, from the div tag we come out to the this respective buy now button, the tree structure information. So for the tree structure, what is the XPath we have used, that's what I found. The same thing, your logic you have to assign, and then you have to find with the read sample, and then after that the location information also. So with the help of the location also you can go through each and everything. So that also I given here, everything, how the buttons, everything has been displayed there. You can come over that one. This is what about your XPath is about. Okay, again when we come over to our respective web driver session, again we will be going for again some XPath usage and all thing. So the main things we need to know about how to use XPath in calendar. When you come to XPath there, sorry, when you come to the calendar, okay, element on web driver, at that time you will be learning on that one also. So this is what you have to find here. And also go to the same science and technology, there find the buy now button for the art and war book. This is the last final one, because here you have to use some logics here. Find the buy now button for art and war book. This will be little bit complex for you, but try it. Why means there are 3 heart and war book in the same page. See, heart and war. If I scroll over, it will come, load it. Here also one more heart and war book will be there. See, one more art and war. See, first this art and war, second, third, 4, totally 4 art and war is there. So that's what you will be finding. That is how you can find the relationship. Okay, here you can't take this art and war alone as a relationship. You have to also take some other relationship also. How to take that one? So you try it. If you're not able to identify that one, I'll also take that information also in XPath. Okay, so this is what your assignment is about. Once you do this one, it will be easy for you to work on XPath. So I'll forward you this information also. Just a second. I'll send you these files also, what we have learned today. Okay, is the session today is easy. You can understand things because it's important. That's why I took little bit in detailed manner. We went very slow. Is the session is clear? Oh, thank you so much. Okay, yeah, thank you. So we'll just tomorrow we'll again just go with the Java. Tomorrow we'll start with Java. We'll start with the basics of Java, and then we'll go to each and every contents. So first we have finished our Selenium ID, and then the add-on information, XPath and the Firebug and Firefinder. Okay, so Java will go. For Firepath and Firefinder, I'll show you some information on it. Okay, just we'll close this session with this one. I'll go here. I'll go to the active time. View XPath. I'll take this username text box here. I'll use this username double slash input tag at the rate name is equal to username. I got. So the same information here, if I use it in Firefinder, it will help me to filter that, and then it will give me the information in this place itself. That is the usage of Firefinder. If you give some XPath expression, that will help me to show here itself. See, if I give only slash input alone, see what are the input tags are there in this page, that will be represented here. That's what your help of the Firefinder. Same thing, Firepath, what it will do means, it will help you to generate the XPath. I'll just click on this one. See, if I give here, that will help you to get an XPath information of that one. You have to leave the dot alone, you should not take that one. The same thing if you use here, that will help me to find it. See, Firefinder, here I'll give the information, filter, see that also. But what is the problem with the our XPath and the Firepath XPath means, here the performance will be reduced when you use the Firepath. You can also take this one and then you can work on it, but the thing is performance will be reduced. Why it will be reduced means, it's simple. See here, you can see here star. What does that star represent means? Star represents, okay, I'll just go scroll over top. Match any of the element. Okay, right now we are directly going with your tag name, what input in our own XPath. But here what you are giving star represents, it will go to, there are totally 20,000 to 30,000 tags will be there. In all the tags it goes and checks whether ID is present with that login from name container. But our information, what this input tag will do means, it will go and search for the 12 input tags alone. In that alone it will go and search the ID login from container. That's what, sorry, name is equal to username, like that it will go and search. That's what our XPath will do. But this one will go and search the entire tags and then search the information. So performance will be very much reduced when we are going with the Firepath. But you can also go with this also. That's the thing. That's what Firepath. Firefinder will help you to filter and show in the page. Firepath will help us to generate the XPath. That's what your Firepath and Firefinder is about. Then tomorrow we'll just go with start with our Java. How to use, we'll be seeing these Java basic concepts of each and everything. That's the thing. Okay, so if you have any doubts, you can just ping me. Is session clear? We can join tomorrow. Is okay? Okay, so tomorrow we'll just again connect. Yeah, thank you, bye.